Welcome to part 2 of this week's match. Doy and I take on Luigi and Mikey.
Wow!
Nice shot!
Head on to Luigi's channel if you haven't caught up to part 1.
Alright, so welcome back to the channel.
To get you up to speed, after the front 9, we are 1 down.
Ganda! Ganda! Ganda!
If they win, Luigi's Caddy Wena will be featured in one of my next movies.
Isang movie, sasama ka na sa trailer.
If we win, she'll jump in the water. So, let's get right into it.
Let's okay, what's big?
Alright. First hole off the back 9. Front 9 actually. We're currently 1 down. Pwede na. Behind eh. Oo. Saka nakabig ko. Bang.
Wow!
Grabe ah. Grabe, Mikey.
Mukhang si Mikey talaga magpapanalo.
Kaya nga, bakit? Oy! Palo na ako ah. Uy,
Nice shot! Okay na yan. Nice shot, Mikey. Binuha talaga ako ni Mikey. Okay, Fred and Doy also laying up.
kanina pa ako natatap ball sa wood ah. Look up.
Okay, nasa kanan si
Hindi ko
Fred.
na naman yata natatapos. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Kick right. Balik mo.
Ayun, kaliwat kanan sila. Ay, laki pa rin ng putt. For right! Coming soon. Meron na siyang movie. Masasama ka na sa trailer. Okay, left with 100 yards. We are taking Mikey's tee shot, Mikey's second shot, Mikey's third shot. Si Mikey ang nagbuhat. Ganda, Mikey. Pati kay Mikey rin yung third shot.
Yeah. 56 tayo. Ay, ilang yards ba to?
Mga
80. Sige, pitching na lang, pitching. Smooth lang na pitching siguro.
92 adjusted.
92. Okay. Sakto lang to.
Pero with the wind. Parang
Hinahangin, no?
tee shot. Wow, ganda.
Sit.
Sana
Sana nag-bite. Thank you. Oo nga eh. Feeling ko lumabas eh. Shot.
Ay, short. Okay, direct Fred and Doy
Mga ganito.
for their birdie. Medyo malayo lang. We are also putting for birdie. Taking my third shot.
Uy,
Mali.
pakanan. Sakto sana yung speed ko eh. Kumanan. Ano?
Baba. Yung artista mo. May ginagawa, diba?
Ganda ng putt. Nice putt.
We have this putt for birdie to win the hole, to go back to 2 up. Ang bigay niya, Jong? Kaliwa? Parang maliit lang? No? Maliit lang? 4 paces. Hindi bumali. May nag-start ka agad sa kaliwa. Oo. Tama. Alright, hole number 2. We are still currently 1 up. Sayang yung birdie putt na yun. So merong plus si Doy dito at saka si Fred. Handicap 1 pa, no?
Ang!
Sige pa! Turn pa, turn pa!
Wow!
Mukhang kukunin pa rin natin yan eh.
Ay,
Yun!
shot!
Ganda! Okay lang.
Grabe ah!
Nice shot, Mikey.
Ay. Driver.
Ay, kanan lang.
Sayang. Sayang, sayang. Na-open ko. Tira na yan si Kuya. Yun, no?
Alam niya na nandito
Alam
si
mo
Strawberry.
nandito eh. Alam mo
Uy,
nandito.
alam mo nandito si Strawberry ah.
Alam mo nandito sa ano ah.
Alam mo nandito si Strawberry.
Wow.
Fade ka. Mag-fade ka.
Grabe naman yun. Ay, shot. Okay. Oy, sug natin.
Nice shot. Nice shot. Patong.
Patong mo.
Patong mo.
Parang short. Sabi ko na. Oh, okay na yun. Thank you, thank you.
Nice. Ganda.
Thank you. Thank you. Uy. Sit up. Nice. Gumalaw nung paano.
Wag. Teka mo Noy.
Wag. Wag.
Sobra.
Okay, we are taking my second shot. Ano bigyan nyo dito, Jong? Diretso na? Diretso. 30 yards to the flag. Ganda, Mikey! Bite.
Wow.
Okay na, make a ball. Station.
Patable.
Ham and egg.
Wow. Ganda yan.
Okay.
Okay, Derek and Doy.
Go, go, go.
Around 20 yards to the flag.
Hina.
May plus naman kayo dito.
Ayaw nga. Nice. Yun.
Ganda ng bite.
A shot.
What a clutch shot by Doy. Good. What a shot by Doy. Okay, good kami. Pero panalo sila. May plus. Nice shot, Doy.
Okay. A shot, Doy.
Practice mo na lang. Okay, we both made par pero they get a pop. So, par birdie. So, as
All square.
okay, what a clutch shot by Doy sa hole number 2. So we are now back to all square. So hole number 3 is playing 190 yards, front pin, slightly against the wind. Either a 5 iron siguro or 6 iron.
Di
Ganda
draw.
pa tama. Short game lang talaga para ay over.
Pero okay na.
Kaya nga eh. Then, dyan naman si Doy. Woo! Ay, doon din. Oh no. Up.
Wow.
Ganda, Mikey.
Oh my God.
Big bounce. Big bounce.
Hole in one muna.
May hina lang. Okay na. May kabol.
Bunker.
Okay. Kanan? O diretso na?
Kanan.
Sit.
Stop.
Lakas. Wow! Sit! Ay, ang bilis. Kala ko perfect na yun eh. No? Oh. Pero okay lang, nice shot.
We are taking my tee shot 20 yards short of the green. I don't know bakit nagsaslice yung bola kung nag-fade. So tirang mga 13 yards right to left. Ganda ulit, Mikey. Galing nga. Na-shot. Sayang lang, tumama lang sa fringe. Ay, tubig. Gusto ko masyadong pabait. Okay, we have this par putt. Both teams are putting for par. Mas malayo lang si Fred at saka si Doy. Kami, we are 4 paces for par. Taking Mikey's approach.
Half grip. Puti.
Mahina.
Shit!
Mahina lang.
Sayang.
For par, Mikey.
Uy!
Lakas. Lakas mga putt mo ngayon, Mikey.
Take. Go, Doy! Spot. No problem. Sa akin kulang lang din no? Gumano na siya Woo! Nice. Pinagbigyan tayo.
Sayang, that was a missed opportunity. Sayang. All square pa rin. Hole number 4, 324 yards, dog leg left.
Sigaw ka na lang, Wena.
Ganda. Perfect. Ganda, brother.
Thank you.
Nice shot.
Thank you. Boom!
Ganda rin.
Shot.
Good shot, Doy.
A shot. Grabe si Mikey, oh.
Ganda naman patama ni Mikey. Parang wala talaga ako silver rito.
A shot. Grabe ah. Hindi ako naniniwala na talaga. Wow. A shot. A shot.
Okay, we're taking my tee shot, 90 yards with the wind. So the play is to aim for that shed sa right.
Wait. Ako naman, alternate.
Okay lang, brother. Okay lang.
Shot!
Ako rin. Behind din. Sobra. Okay lang. Isang doon pa rin.
Grabe!
Sobrang
Lakas naman!
56 tayo. Rosie. Kanan, no?
Pero kailangan ang bagsak. Dito lang.
Diyan sa may fringe.
Oo.
Sit! Napalakas ko. Nahihirap. Saka napalakas ko. Yun. Ganda niyan.
Ay,
Ganda niyan! A shot. Sit.
Grabe! Ang layo! Ganda na nun ah! Sa fridge mo na pinabagsak eh. Okay. We're taking
Grabe yung downhill eh.
second shot.
Pero ang ganda nun.
We're left with 16 yards left to right. Medyo mabagal ba yan? Bakit ano? Bagal. Slow down. Okay, next one, Mikey! Okay, give pa! Okay. Nice one, Mikey! Have an egg, baby!
Thank you. Kanan? Okay.
Ayok ko, Mikey.
Okay. Nakakaabig ko yata.
Pero, tama yung speed.
Kaya nga eh. Bogey yun ah.
Okay, Doy needs to make the spot to avoid going one down. Ay, sayang. Baka matras.
Shit!
Okay, 1 up. Nice one, partner. Okay, 1 up kami. Alright, what a clutch shot by Mikey. Hey, we're now back to 1 up. Hole number 5, playing 115 yards. With the wind ba?
With ba or...
Parang ande, cross, pakaliwa.
Woo!
Cut! Cut!
Grabe!
Dikit!
Ay, short! Pero ang ganda ng patama. Wait lang, Rose. 9 na lang. Parang with eh. Cross. Bahala na. Siya naman si Doy. Okay.
Nice, Fred. Nice shot.
Okay. Thank you, thank you.
One shot.
Thank you. Shot. Yun din, oh. Nag-draw. Kick right. Uy!
Okay, both teams putting for birdie. Ang layo lang namin, taking my tee shot. 16 paces left to right. Sila Fred, they're taking Fred's tee shot for birdie. Okay, 16, 17 sa'yo. Mahina. Mahina. 16.
Go.
Okay. Kabig ko na naman. Hindi.
Ang laking binali dito.
Talaga?
Tinamaan siya.
Thank you. Kala ko nakabig ko na naman. For birdie. For birdie. Shit! Nice spot, nice spot. Wow! Spot. Nice spot.
Okay, hole number 6. We are still currently 1 up. Sayang ulit yung putt na yan. Okay, playing 343 yards. Dog leg left.
Wow!
Turn, turn, turn. Wala, pumasok. Ayun, safe, safe, safe.
Safe naman eh. Safe naman ata. Isang magandang drive lang. Uy!
Or? Ay, parang pabagsak.
Sa kabila. Grabe si Mikey, oh.
Thank you, Mikey. Ayos lang yan.
Woo! Shortcut.
Parang wala naman tumunod.
Oo. Sige, 7 wood. Saan na si Rose? 7 wood.
Pero iniisip ko rin na
Parang nakalubog nga ata.
Next Thursday yata. Ay, sumabit lang. 4 left! Ay, bumalik.
Ayun, layup.
Safe. Ganda naman safe na safe. Parang nilayup. Ay, pwede ka
Oh, go for it ka.
Wala lang mawawala. Safe to safety. Okay. Dodoy going for it. 175 yards pero against the wind. Going with the 3 wood.
Woo!
Short lang. Sabit. Okay, sayang ganda ng drive ko. Pero tumama sa puno. Landed sa kabilang fairway. So we're taking Mikey's tee shot left with 170 yards to the flag. I'm hitting 7 iron. Need to go over those trees. Labas mo lang.
Kick right. Kick right. Ayun, safe.
Saan? Ayun, okay lang. Before the bunker.
Ito lang ginamit kasi pero nanibago ako.
Hindi na bali.
Ano yun? May ugat? Shit.
Hindi na bali. Kasi maramdam ko yun.
Oo nga. 40 yards? 50. 50? 50. Sige. Ano tayo? 56. Paluan ko na. 55. Diretso na, no? 4. Sit! Sit! Bakit tayo kumagat nung ano ko?
Doy and Fred. Just short of the green. Siguro mga around 50 yards sila to the flag. Buti hindi nabali yung pamalo ko. Tumama sa ugat. Hindi, yun.
Uy.
Mahapdi. Okay, over naman
Lumabas.
si Doy. With actually 34 to the flag. Ano to, diretso? Maliit sa kaliwa. Okay.
Wow.
Ay, sa fridge din
Ay.
tumama. Okay, this is to go for
Ilagay mo yung ano mo
par.
kasi isang daliri mo yung itim.
No? Hindi, meron pa akong band-aid. Doy and Fred, that is for their par. Kami ni Mikey ito rin. We're taking my shot. Sakit. Pangat ng tira. Go! Mahina pa rin. Okay lang, at least give. Okay, nice one, Mikey. Okay.
Kala ko papasok.
Uy, biglang may tinalunan. Tinamaan doon. Fred and Drew and Doy. Uy, must make to half the hole. Uy! Okay, we are now two up. A very unfortunate missed par putt for Doy and two down. Okay. 327 yards. So dapat di namin ito makuha kundi dormi na.
Why?
Ay, hindi, pag nakuha pala namin ito, panalo na.
Ah, ganun?
Full 16, ha?
2. O pag nanalo kami, pero hindi, dormi.
Yun. Nagalit si Doy.
Lumabas na yung serious mode, tournament mode ni Doy. Okay, kasi if we win this hole, so panalo na kami 3-2. Ganda rin, perfect draw. Tama na. Uy! Kabilang butas. Pero ganda naman na yung kito eh.
Oo nga eh.
Ganda rin! Huwag ka lang papasok sa puno. Parang hindi naman stymie yan. Nice shot, Mikey. Favor naman, direct.
Ay, sure. Dapat maka-birdie pala tayo, no? Uy!
For left.
Ay, sayang! Ang ganda ng tira.
Go. Magkakakanan.
Okay, sayang. Hindi napindot ni Wena. Although pangit naman, I landed there. So, Doy and Fred around 100 yards.
Nice. Go!
Short.
Uy, short.
Okay, taking my ugly shot. Left to right, super fast green. 20 yards. Kahit tira mga 10. So So sila Fred and Doy to go up and down also for their par.
Go, 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 go.
Bite. Settle. Okay, both teams putting for par. Mas malayo kami. We have 8 bases. Left, right, lightning fast. May chance pa sila.
Yes!
Yun na. Mas big tayo. Mas big. Para lang dormy na sila. Kung hindi, may match. Tuloy pa yung
Isa
laban.
rin.
Napaka-clutch nun, Fred.
Oo nga eh.
Super clutch yun.
Thank you.
Okay, let's make 2. Dormy na. Kung hindi. Kulang sa kaliwa. Bilis ah. Malakas din. What a clutch pot by Direct Fred.
Thank you.
Nice shot. Grabe yun. Nice spot na yun. Very important pa man din yun.
Oo nga eh.
Okay, hole number 8. We are just 1 up. Playing 155 siguro to 160.
Nice shot.
Ganda.
Nice.
Wow, clutch. May sobra. Pass. Sa likod. Tingin ko ah. Walang bola sa green. Maganda rin. Maganda rin.
Naku, ganda naman.
Para sobra din.
Hindi.
Pataw?
Sa likod. Ay, wala.
Wala na.
Wow.
Parang likod lang
Shot.
din.
Ako, batting contest tayo.
Grabe. Down to the wire kami. Last 2 holes. This is Doy's tee shot. This is mine. So, pot off na lang to. So, if ever,
Magandang pat lang.
if we tie this hole, dormy na. Yan. So, pero both teams are putting for birdie. 1 down. Tagay. Buti na kakampi ko si putting 1 putt cast. Okay, Direct Fred. For birdie. To force us to make ours. Clutch jeans! Clutch jeans. Okay, must make. Okay, pag na-shoot natin to, Doy, ay mag-shoot natin to, Mikey, tapos na dormy. Tie or panalo na lang tayo sa last hole. Pero we need to make this. Kung hindi, last hole tayo. Last hole ang last ano. Para sa pag-aartista ni Wena to. Ito mo naman, posing niya, parang ano na, pang Viva Max na. Kaya mo ba? Viva Records na lang gusto mo. Okay, let's go, Mikey. Malakas. Night. Lagi dito tayo, no? Lagi dito sa decision. Sa wala to sa clutch pot. Dormy na. So it's either we tie na lang or we lose. So last hole, 511 yards.
Nice shot.
Okay lang.
Airplane. Tulo na naman sa pagkaya. Kahit iiwan ko. Cut!
Wow. Grabe yun, Luigi.
Lakas ang hangin.
Isang hangin.
Lumayo lang pala talaga ako sa
Sa bola.
Nice shot. Nice shot.
Fred and...
Nice shot.
Okay. Good layup by Fred. Oo, ganda. Uy, open.
Go!
Uy, safe.
Nice.
Kanan. Okay, sobrang layo pa. We're left with 288 yards to the flag. I'll be hitting a 3-wood also. Ganda, Mikey. Actually, ganyan na talaga yung patama ni Mikey. Nice shot, brother. Doy and Fred left with mga 120 yards to go up and
Shot.
down for their
Nice
Wow.
shot. Nice. Ay, Parang di na-
birdie
di
to make
lumabas,
eagle sila dyan. May plus sila dito eh. Okay. Kami naman, we're left with 93 yards to the flag. We need to hit this close kasi may plus sila Doy. We're taking my second shot. Okay lang, go! Returns! Okay, very important putts for both teams. Kami, net, putting birdie. Sila Doy, birdie, putting birdie, pero they have a pop. So, birdie to make eagle sila. So, we need to make this and
Ilan sa'yo?
we need them to miss. 11 sa'yo, so 10 sa akin. Practice.
Ang ganda!
Mas mix yun sa!
Jeez! Oh,
Mas make. Oh, mas make. Para tayo. Oh, para eagle to win pala to. Okay, mas make sila to win the hole. Maganda din! Okay. Okay, that's good. Okay. Okay, they're in for par birdie, net birdie. Well, made for this talaga to si Mr. Raimundo eh. Ganda! Yes! Okay, mag-aartista si Mena. Good round, partner. Good round. Good round. Grabe, clutch pot na naman. Okay, panalo. Panalo tayo 100 pesos. Mas fun, brother. Life-changing money.
Oo. Naramdaman ko na nung ano pa lang eh.
Akala ko nga na bitin. Parang babali na siya.
Oo.
that wraps it up for this video. Doy and I missed a couple of crucial putts, and Luigi absolutely drove the dagger in at the end. So yeah, Wen is officially getting a cameo in one of my next movies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week. Peace.